This is an emergency alert system message from the Department of Health. This is not a test. A public health emergency has been declared in the Philippines due to a widespread outbreak of a disorder caused by a web series called Skibidi Toilet. This disorder affects children from ages 3 to 7 and causes them to exhibit abnormal behaviors such as talking about Skibidi Toilet in their everyday life, pretending to be a Skibidi Toilet by sticking themselves into toilet-sized containers, and often repeatedly singing the phrase "me or Skibidi dop 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 yes yes." The symptoms of this disorder are similar to those of hypnosis and can have serious consequences for the physical and mental health of the affected children. The disorder can also spread to other children through social media and word of mouth. The Department of Health advises all parents and guardians of children in the affected age group to take the following precautions. Do not allow your children to watch anything related to Skibidi Toilet, including the web series itself, its trailers, its parodies, its fan-made videos, or its merchandise. If you find any such content in your children's devices, delete it immediately and block the source. Limit your children's screen time to no more than 1 hour per day and monitor what they are watching. Use parental controls and filters to prevent access to inappropriate or harmful content. Encourage your children to engage in other activities that are fun, educational, and healthy, such as reading, playing, exercising, or spending time with family and friends. If you notice any signs of the disorder in your children, such as talking about Skibidi Toilet, acting like a Skibidi Toilet, or singing the Skibidi Toilet song, seek medical attention as soon as possible. Do not attempt to treat the disorder yourself or use any unproven remedies or methods. If you have any questions or concerns about the disorder or its prevention, contact your local health authority or visit the Department of Health website. This is an emergency alert system message from the Department of Health. Please stay tuned to OBS-CPN for further updates and instructions. Thank you for your cooperation.